with more donuts.
What is going on, you guys? It is your boy Carboholics
And your girl Donuts and Pizza.
and we are back with another banging epic cheat day video, guys. We are at Dodo Brain Donuts. I'm kidding. We're at Dodo Bird Donuts, guys, out in San Diego in La Jolla, and we've got their plain glaze. Y'all already know, brand new donut shop for the channel. We gotta kick it off with that plain glaze. So all in all, this glaze, I mean, the glaze doesn't crinkle off, guys, and I think it's like a cakey yeasted donut.
Can you see yourself?
It's weird. All right, yeah. All right, so let's see how this one is. The glaze is like slimy on it. So cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Wow.
Mmm. Definitely no crinkle at the top.
Yeah, it's like slimy. And I would compare it to like a cake, huh? It's like a cake. It's not a yeasted donut to me.
It is a yeasted donut.
Oh yeah, it is, huh?
But it has a different texture to it.
Yeah, it's a little bit doughier. But I like that it has like a crisp outer layer.
Not even doughier. It just has like, it's like a just thicker.
Like a thicker style of dough, huh? It was good though.
I like it.
I like the crisp outer layer, and that glaze is perfectly sweet. You guys are gonna want to stay tuned for this whole order. We'll be right back with ya. Peace. Alright, you guys, we are back. So we're gonna get started with the first donut. V forgot the little attachment that goes on the car so that we could connect the microwave, so we're gonna eat them as is. We got the peppermint bark donut, which has chocolate on their chocolate yeasted donut with chocolate glaze and peppermint bark on it. Look at that. That thing looks delicious, guys.
And we're gonna share this one because
this one didn't have that much of that peppermint bark, which is unfair, I believe. So cheers.
Guys, and we're sitting right in front of the ocean.
Yeah, if y'all could hear if y'all could hear the waves, that's what it is. Wow, this is good.
Wait till you try this one. I was gonna bite this one, because it has a lot, but
It's their chocolate cake donut, guys, with that peppermint bark. The chocolate glaze is nice and fudgy.
right? It's like fudgy. It's like a nice brownie without the texture, huh?
Yeah. I love that they use peppermint bark on it.
Nice and soft, you know. I love that they put those big chunks of peppermint.
Yeah, on the other one, this one was missing it.
That's a plus for me.
But all in all, it's great. We didn't even warm it up, and it was good. So, all right.
Imagine warmed up.
Oh, that's what I was saying. Imagine warmed up. Let's go into the gingerbread one.
This is my favorite one.
Next donut. Well, yeah, this is actually a good one. A gingerbread. It looks like another cake donut. So let's see. Their cakes and their yeasted to me are almost alike. So I can't tell. All right, cheers.
It's not that they're alike, baby.
To me, they are.
It's just a different texture. It almost like. It's kind of like, it's not dissolving to the bite, if that makes sense. It's just kind of like close to like a brioche style.
Yeah,
because it has that
thicker brioche. It's not a regular brioche. And this one is actually a gingerbread damn cookie. Wow.
Wow. This reminds me of the pumpkin pie. The one we got from
the graham cracker on there.
Yeah.
Well, imagine this one warmed up.
Wow. How much flavor, guys. I'm excited to come back and try them warm.
Yeah.
Warmed up.
Warmed up, huh? So good.
Wow.
You got some glaze dripping down the corner of your mouth here.
That's fine.
Alright. Next donut.
Let it drip.
Which one do you want to do? The cranberry orange or the chocolate glaze? Let's do the chocolate glaze. Chocolate glazed yeasted donut, guys. And I say it's yeasted because it feels less thicker than the other ones.
Damn, I can't get over the flavor.
Huh. That one was freaking good. It's a gingerbread cookie mixed with a donut, like exactly like it's you don't know what it is.
Wow,
it's a mixture of both, guys. It has that nice crisp texture to it, huh?
I tasted a good amount of
gingerbread on it.
Gingerbread donut, but this one has like more of that
like crispy like texture of the
flavor,
cookie.
The
flavor?
It's
yeah, it's super gingerbready. I like the texture on it as well. Alright, glazed one now. Cheers. Let's see this one.
I don't even want to go that fast, guys.
They're freaking glazed.
Everything.
Look at how thick that is.
Look at how shiny that is.
Now, I would prefer this one warm because it is doughy. And doughy donuts, for me, when you warm them up, they get so much better. But I like the thickness and creaminess of the chocolate glaze on it now.
Wow. Yeah.
It's good.
It reminds me of we tasted one like this.
Like a dark chocolate.
Looking for it, right? This dark chocolate, or was it
I think
the one right here in San
Diego? I don't know, but it tastes really good, like a dark chocolate. But sweet. Almost like a hot chocolate kind of. Wow.
I think what was that shop's name? We just went Nomads?
Probably Devil's Dozen.
No, we didn't go to Devil's Dozen. We didn't go to Devil's Dozen.
Yeah, God. So far, so good. We ended up with a total of how many we get? 16 donuts, because I did place an order for 18, but 2 of them they actually didn't have, so we ended up just leaving with the 16, which were the filled donuts. It would have been crazy to try out a filled donut from them.
Wow, these 3 flavors were epic for me.
Yeah. Although I just can't get over the fact that imagine how good they would have been warm, guys.
I told you we could have waited.
Yeah, but it's because if we wait and then nah. Alright, next one. Cranberry orange. Yeah, right? This was a cranberry orange on their yeasted donut.
I don't remember.
Right. Cheers.
It's crazy because it doesn't crinkle at the top and it's not sticky either.
Just like Nomads.
No, because
Nomads is like this.
No.
We just in our past vlog, yeah. It's a thick slime, guys. But damn, this is cranberry orange bursting all out the glaze. I love this one.
Mmm. Wow.
Oh.
Okay. All these flavors have been hitting, given that we haven't even warmed them up.
I wonder if the glaze will melt off of it if we warm them up. Because it's like thick and like, I don't know,
It'll
like slimy.
Drip.
Yeah.
It'll probably drip.
Mm.
But the bread will probably get softer. Huh.
That, I know that it would. Which I would prefer it better than just a thick kind of like thick bread. But for those of you that like thick breading on the donuts, this will be your donut shop for you. Alright.
I think this one was raspberry, wasn't it?
It's an orange cranberry. It does taste like raspberry though. Like a light hint of it. Ooh. Ooh. This is next. This one is the maple bacon donut, guys. Maple glaze.
What?
And the bacon pieces on it, I swear it looks like, yeah, for my Latinos, y'all don't understand. It looks like chicharron up in this.
What?
Look at these crumbs. This does not look like a maple bacon donut to me.
It looks like Reese's to me.
But it is what it is.
Reese's chunks.
And actually,
Huh.
give me a second. Let me take a quick picture of this donut because it looks that amazing. So next donut, maple bacon donut. Let's get straight to it. Cheers, V. Look at this.
Why did you get that one? Are you sure it's the maple bacon?
Wow. This is amazing. I've never had a maple bacon, nothing like this.
Nothing. That's like sugar crumbs, huh? Sugar
I don't know what it is. I think the bacon is actually coated in like something, you know, some type of crumb that just gives it this bomb like flavor. Yeah, it kind of looks like brown sugar.
Kind of like, yeah, like a cinnamon, brown sugar kind of flavor. It doesn't even, I don't know. I don't even taste bacon as much.
Yeah.
I taste a little bit of that salt.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I don't taste it that much.
Bacon pieces all over the thing. I do. Bacon with that sweet crumb around it. Plus that maple glaze. Oh yeah. Real unique donut though. From what I've had in the past compared to maple bacon though. Oh wow. What would you rate this maple bacon?
I don't know. I like it though.
I would say it's unique.
Yeah.
That's it. From all the
There's nothing I
donut
can
shops we've
compare
been
it.
to, there's
Yeah. I think I could compare it with. Wow.
Here, let me see, take this. Oh no, because it's got a big crumb there. Maybe you didn't get too many maple pieces. Maple bacon. I do love their maple glaze though. It's not overwhelmingly
Maple
sweet.
bacon?
Their maple
Bacon.
glaze.
Maple.
It was like a brown sugar coating on top of that donut.
Look, give me that little crumb.
It's gonna fall off.
Just leave it down there.
Final donut. This is the cookies for Santa donut, which looks to me like it has like a milk glazing on it with some type of cookie butter cookies on it. Who knows? Cheers. Let's see.
Look at that.
It's filled, huh?
It's filled.
Wow. A filled circular donut.
Wow, you taste that?
I think it's cookie butter filled, huh?
I think it's cookie butter, yeah. Wow. Wow, warmed up, dude.
Yeah, because like this it tastes good, but imagine warmed up.
It's a yeast donut, right?
Yeah.
Filled. But that looks like a cake. This one does look like a cake.
They put the filling on the bottom.
Good for you to stain yourself. This is so smart.
This one and the peppermint bark one were my favorite ones. But it's hard to choose because even the bacon one was good. The cranberry freaking orange glaze was good.
But this is so smart and so clean how they did it. They filled the donut with the, I think it's Biscoff inside, or with cream or something. They made it, and then it's just a plain white.
Yeah. Or it tastes like they put cookie butter cream in there. And it's just packed with so much flavor.
And you get the filling at every bite.
Yeah.
They really did stuff it. I love it.
It was perfectly filled. All right. Final donut, guys. Last one. And then we're all set. 16 donuts down for today. We got the holiday sprinkle.
Is there a guy right there? Maybe I don't know.
Oh wow, V, you hear V guys all excited for that. Holiday sprinkle donut. Right here. They're those Christmas trees on those sprinkles. Let's see how this tastes. I'm just gonna give it a bite. It's still yeasted donut. I think the sprinkles actually give it flavor.
Let me get the drink.
But we also got a pumpkin spice latte. Really good.
And it's very good. Nice and earthy pumpkin flavor.
Yeah, perfectly sweet. Alright, let's see what V thinks about this donut. The sprinkles actually give it some type of flavor, huh?
A little crunch too.
Yeah. And on the yeasted donut. All in all, great donut, guys. Especially if y'all like cake donuts. Because I would compare this mostly to a cakier side donut, even their yeasted ones. But will I come back? Yeah. The Biscoff one was out of this world. Imagine warmed up. Yeah, the cranberry glaze. Yeah, they were all good. And then warmed up, I know that bread gets nice and soft.
And they have a big selection of drinks.
Yeah, a big selection of drinks and like breakfast sandwiches and all that. So all in all, great spot. We didn't even show you the starting time, guys. We're all over the place. It is December 23rd, 9:08. Time we're finishing the mukbang. 16 donuts down, I believe. We got that pumpkin spice latte. We'll be back with y'all with some more amazing eats out here in San Diego, guys. Peace.